Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the headset and picking a connection method. This determines the next steps. If wireless, plug the USB dongle into a rear PC port and power on the headset so they pair automatically. If wired, connect the 3.5mm jack to the PC or use the USB sound card in the cable for digital audio. Once done, make sure the mic is securely attached and oriented toward your mouth so voice pickup is clear for immediate testing. Once connected, install Logitech G so you can update firmware and fine-tune audio profiles. This improves latency and mic clarity. Open your system sound settings and set the G Pro X as the default playback and recording device to route all game and chat audio through it. Then, in GHUB adjust EQ, enable or reduce side tone so you hear yourself, and set mic gain to avoid clipping. These steps give balanced sound. Finish by running a quick voice and audio test in your game, or using a recorder to confirm chat and gameplay sound are balanced. If you get no audio, reseat the cable or repair the dongle and verify the headset is selected in both app and OS. If issues continue, restart the app or PC and check Logitech GHUB for driver updates. This usually resolves driver conflicts or firmware mismatches and gets you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.